Everybody, my name is Chloe, and today I'm going to wash my car, and I have to wax my car and in my garage, and follow me. Okay, you guys, I'm here in my garage, and I'm gonna wash my car. It's right there, and today I'm gonna wax it and then clean everything because I've been sitting outside in the sun for maybe like a month. And then today we're going to do waxing my car. Also, I'm going to stream live at my TikTok like. You guys need to follow me if you haven't followed me. And thank you for watching. Bye bye.